All right, we got torrential rain last night, severe, and the banks held up. A couple little spots got slurry, but you can see all the water in there. Craziness. It just stopped raining a few hours ago, but it rained all night, pounded, and this little opening where I did for the water is running it out right there. So she'll come down. You know, it'll take a while to come out, but it's running all the way out in that field. And if we have to pump it, we'll pump it, but we'll let it sit a few hours, see what she does. Probably not gonna do nothing today here. We just wanted to check to see how bad the site was. So we will update as soon as we get back to work here. We got walls going in. Forms are being dropped off now. Then they'll all get set up. We got the walls all set. And inspections tomorrow at 10. We'll be pouring tomorrow right around 10:30. All right, we got our footing drains going in. There's the T where we will daylight solid going out, so it's all gravity fed. Put some fabric down on the bottom there because it was real mucky, but we'll fill it with stone, and then some filter. We use resin paper for the top of the stone, and then we get we backfill that over the dirt. All right, all the stone is in, pipe bedded perfectly. You got to make sure you put those holes at the bottom. Some people put them up and that's wrong, so make sure the holes are on the bottom, and then you daylight here, connect everything all the way around this foundation. It's daylighted here, and it will go out, and then you use solid pipe, no holes, for the daylight drain, because you don't want water going in there and plugging it and there's no stone and whatnot. You just backfill that with clean dirt. So Monday, 10 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock's inspection. We got to get 2-inch foam on all these walls all the way around. We'll do that Monday morning, and good to go.